Greetings, Ascendant Nation. So I'm coming to you with your Earth sign reading. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first card, well, first and foremost, let me say, make sure you use your discernment. Take what resonates, what does not. Do not feel obligated to make it stick. All right, so we have time for a nap. The number 24 could be significant. All right, something could be significant about 6, or you could be seeing 66. Okay, or 666. All right, but with the time for a nap and us further clarifying, the death card came out. So something could be significant about an actual physical death I was picking up in this reading. Okay, you could be an earth sign, you could be a cross watcher. All right, it could be someone connected to you. All right, but whatever this is, the universe is in approval. We have the justice card here. Okay, and it says equality, neutrality, logic. The number 11 is significant. All right, you could be seeing 1111 or 22. Okay, to further clarify this energy, we have love triangle, third party, multiple lovers, choices. So this could be significant about who someone is dealing with or whom they are in a relationship with. Okay, because it could be a relationship or it could be something not serious. Okay, when I say that. All right, something could be significant about an actual officer or undercover. Okay, something could be significant about a corrupt officer. All right, but because of someone's choices, it could be linked. A love triangle could be linked to someone's demise. Okay, so we have massive regrets. So whomever this is currently in massive regrets due to the choices and whom they chose to deal with. Okay, and like I said, the time for a nap card is giving me, with death clarifying it. It's basically a message. I'm getting a message, from the ancestors. That's what I'm getting. Okay, and there's a lot of tan. The background on this card is giving me Egypt, so something could be significant about Egyptian ancestors. All right. Next we have Winter's Dream. Something could be significant about a wish, because I was going to say wish, but something about Winter's Dream, a gestation period, and the number 63 could be significant. All right, 9 could be significant as well. Okay, but with this, I did pick up about something about pregnancy energy. Okay, so if you are pregnant, congratulations. This can be past, present, or future energy, because I predict either. So, yes, something about a pregnancy. Okay, here I'm picking up. All right. Also, it's a snail on this card, so something could be significant about time or timing. Okay, because we have time on this card, and then we have a snail. I don't know why I'm getting like the way a snail moves. I don't know why I'm getting that. Okay, but something about a snail. Okay. Then we have you could collect some, or you could be someone who collects seashells. I don't know why I'm getting this off of this card. Okay. Next we have relaxation. Okay, so the number 69 could be significant. We have peace, tranquility, and easiness. Okay. So next we have protest. All right. So with the protest card, I feel like, and the number 51 or 6 could be significant. But I feel like someone could have tried to take your peace of mind. That's what I'm getting. Like, take your peace of mind away from you. Okay. Like, protested against you being at peace. Okay. I'm hearing Zen as well. Okay, someone could have actually paid for this. Okay, something could be significant about the winter time. All right, someone could have paid for this around the winter time. Something could be significant about the winter time and gang stalking. Okay, harassment. All right, but something about December. Okay, Then we have, and something could be significant about November too, I'm picking up. But we have giving money. All right. So something about, like I said, people being paid, people being compensated. And to like with like I said, I was picking up pregnancy off of this gestation period card. And we know like it takes, 10 months for a baby to bake. All right, so I'm getting that too, like it takes time. So I feel like whatever this is, the divine is saying, um whatever it is, it took time. Okay. Because it's something from the universe, like God. I feel like with this relaxation card, I feel like this is something that God was trying to, or is giving, not trying to, but is given to you. All right. And I feel like somebody tried to protest against this by paying others. Okay. And people accepting bribes. All right. And this could have been something that was lengthy too. I'm picking up off of the time and stuff. Like this could have been something that's been going on for quite a while. Okay. Then we have inside scoop, a closer look, nosy up in your business. All right, so someone could have been paid to try to get the inside scoop on you. Okay. To come up against you. I'm hearing too with the inside scoop and protest. Okay. Then we have running. So whomever these individuals are, they're now running. Okay. So we have justice over here. So yeah, thank you, Spirit. We have the justice card over here. So, and I'm noticing too on these cards for the earth signs, it's a lot of like earth energy here. Okay, so something could be like heavy dealing with like law enforcement, or money. Thank you, Spirit. Something surrounding like money or something like that. Then we have losing sleep, worry, replaying events, thinking about you. All right. And then yes, we do have the money card here. Thank you. Duh. But but yeah, so whoever these individuals are, they are losing sleep. Some of them could be on the run with the running card here and losing sleep. So next we have reckless love or sex, or reckless sex and love. All right. So something could be because we do have the love triangle card over here, so something could be significant. This energy is connected to this love triangle. All right, so someone could be actually running from someone or trying to dodge another or something like that. Then we have something could be significant about gang stalking as well. Next we have new life. All right, the number 39 could be significant. All right. And then we have peace again. All right, so we have two cards that talk about peace. But then we have the number 23, which reduces down to a 5. Okay, so something could be significant about you collective coming into a new life, a peaceful time. I'm picking up. Okay, and this could be the energy that I was picking up, where Spirit is saying it took time. Okay, it took time. Then we have goal. All right, so this could have been or it was a goal of yours, some type of something you prayed for. Okay, something you prayed for. We have purpose, expectation, destination. All right, the number 26 could be significant. You could be seeing 88 as well. All right. And then we have fury. This is giving me that protest energy again. So I'm getting off of this card that people actually, this is what people protested against. All right. Something could be significant about offense, madness, and unpleasantness. Okay, as well. All right. Then we have reflecting. So these individuals could be reflecting. I'm also getting that this is your energy too, collective, that you've been reflecting and not letting things bother you. Okay, that's what I'm getting off of this card. Okay. Something could be significant about sound bowls as well. And then we have unfazed. So like I said, someone is bothered or in fury because you are unfazed. You are unbothered. Okay. So whomever this is, to further clarify, because more of this energy came out with this reckless love sex situation. So we have someone who left you, apparently someone who left you for a Jezebel energy, okay? Or it says no closure, no contact, left on red. And we have the Jezebel energy, and then we have pregnancy DNA fake news. All right, this came out in one of the other readings I did today. Just, I can't remember which one, but I want to say it may have been fire signs. Fire signs, which this is giving me because this pregnancy energy and stuff like that. A Jezebel, this is giving me that fire energy. Okay, so whomever this is, they could have got connected with someone because of a sex addiction. All right, no strings. Okay, that's the energy I'm picking up here. So I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, definitely make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one.